Symmetry, your radial lines of symmetry for this project. You start with your square of your background paper, whether it's white or black, it doesn't matter. This is done the same way. And you can use a pencil even on the black paper, it's gonna show up. So you want to really carefully, with a long ruler, an 18-inch ruler, line up your corners. And you want to draw a very light line. I would not use a drawing pencil like Miss Gamble's doing, because you may want to erase this later. And I know this is a little bit hard for you to see, so I may draw this next line a little bit darker than you should, just so you can see it a little bit better. So we have an X on our paper. The next thing that I'm going to do is on every side, I'm going to find where the middle is. So what is the middle of 12? Or half, that is 6. I'm going to put a little mark on each side. Now this is Miss Gamble cut paper, so just like her, it might be a little bit off. So we're going to put a little mark at 6 all the way around. And anybody who knows anybody that's a carpenter knows you want to measure twice and cut once. Now we're not going to cut these, but you want to measure twice. So we've measured on each side. And we're going to line these up very carefully. I'm going to hold it in the middle pretty firmly so it doesn't move, and draw my line. So these are your lines of symmetry, and I have a second video that talks to you about how you want to put these on the paper and how you're going to fold the two different types of paper, and I'll show you that also. When you're finished with this, I want you to put your name on the back of this, not the words your name, you smart Alex, but your actual name, and then your class period. And then these are going to go in your class's black bin because they are too tall to go into your folders, and they'll get squished and not be pretty, and that's not what we want. So you want to make sure you put your name on here. Be neat. This part of the project, it's incredibly important that you take your time and make sure you've done it correctly, which is why you want to draw lightly so you know that it's correct. So take your time and do a good job with that.